Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference Channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and today we are going to solve the revision exercise from Numbers chapter. First one, write the number names for the following numbers. Okay, so they have given 4 problems. You write the answer by your own, then you check the answer with mine. Okay, in problem A, 2810 equal to 2810, and problem B, 4678, 4678, and problem C, 9284, 9284, and problem D, 6560, 6560. And second one, match the numbers with their names. Column A, column B. A, 1116, 1000. So it is connected to 3, 1116. B, 1009, and it is connected to 6, 1009. And C, 3060, 3060 is here. So connect to 1. D, 2600, and the answer is here, so connect to 2. E, 4599, the answer is here, 4599, connect to 4. And F, 5000, and the answer is here, so connect to 5. Okay. 3. Write the face value and place value of each of the underlined digits. Also write the number in the expanded form. A, 1392. Here the underlined digit is 3. Face value FV equal to the digit itself 3, and place value PV equal to it's 300. 3, and you put 2 zeros for the remaining 2 digits. Okay, 300. B, 8601. Here the underlined digit is 0. So face value of 0 is 0, and place value of 0 is 0. C, 6538. Here the underlined digit is 6. So face value is the digit itself 6, and place value PV equal to, you write 6 as it is, and you put 3 zeros for the remaining 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 6000 is the place value. And D, 8047. 7 is the underlined digit, so face value FV equal to 7, and place value PV also 7. So after 7 there is no digits. The expanded form of problem A is 1392 equal to 1000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 2. B, 8601 is equal to 8000 plus 600 plus 0 plus 1. And C, 6538 equal to 6000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 8. And problem D, 8047 equal to 8000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 7.
4. Separate the even and odd numbers.
5617, 7 is odd, so this is odd number. 3454, 4 is even, so this is even number. 6729, 9 is odd, so odd. 9730, 0 is even number. 7892, 2 is even number, even. 6644, 4 is even number, so E. 5255, 5 is odd number, so O, odd. 6263, 3 is odd, So this is odd number. 6728, 8 is even number. So this is even number. 6776, 6 is the even number. So this is even. Okay, you write it separately. 5. Fill in the blanks with less than, greater than or equal sign. Okay. A. 7653 dash 7659. So 53 is less than 59. So this is less than. And B. 1829 dash 1670. So 800 is greater than 600. So this is greater than. And 6383 dash 6383. Both are equal. So I put equal sign. And D. 9629 dash 9640. 29 is less than 40. So put less than symbol. E. 6529 dash 4302. And 6 is greater than 4. So this is greater than symbol. And 1927 dash 9127. 1 is less than 9. So I put less than symbol here. Okay. And 6. Arrange the following numbers in the ascending as well as descending order. Problem A. 5638, 9740, 5621, 7281, 7290. Okay. You try all these problems by your own, then you check your answer with mine. Okay. And problem A, ascending order, 5621 less than, 5638 less than, 7281 less than, 7290 less than, 9740. And descending order is, if they are asking ascending and descending order in the same problem, means it's very easy to write the descending order. Just we have to write the reverse order of ascending order in descending order. 9740 greater than 7290 greater than 7281 greater than 5638 greater than 5621. And B, 1639 less than 3271 less than 6218 less than 9012 less than 9052. This is ascending order. And descending order, 9052 greater than 9012 greater than 6218 greater than 3271 greater than 1639. And problem C, ascending order, 2661 less than 6374 less than 6578 less than 8293 less than 9249. And descending order, 9249 greater than 8293 greater than 6578 greater than 6374 greater than 2661. And problem D, ascending order, 4563 less than 5367 less than 5638 less than 8038 less than 9782. Descending order, 9782 greater than 8038 greater than 5638 greater than 5367 greater than 4563. 7. Form the greatest as well as the smallest number using the given digits. And problem A, 8, 7, 6, 2. First I am writing the greatest number. We have to arrange the numbers in descending order. That means biggest to smallest to find the greatest number. So 8, 7, 6, 2. This is the greatest number, 8762. And the smallest number, we have to write the numbers from smallest to biggest. So 2, 6, 7, 8. 2678. And B, greatest number is 5320 and smallest number is 2035. And problem C, greatest number 6421, 6421 and smallest number 1246, 1246. And 8, circle numbers in which A, the place value of 5 is 5. Place value of 5 is 5 means it is the ones place value. So in ones place 0, 1, 0. Here ones place value is 5. And here also ones place value is 5. And B, the place value of 4 is 40. 40 means it is in tens place. So 4 is in tens place. Yes, here 4 is in tens place. No, here no, here no. Yes, here 4 is in tens place. And here also 4 is in tens place. And C, the place value of 6 is 6. Place value of 6 is 6 means the 6 is in ones place. No, no, no. Yes, 6 is in ones place. And yes, here 6 is in ones place. D, the place value of 7 is 700. So the 7 is in hundreds place. Here 7 is in hundreds place. No, 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 no. Here 7 is in hundreds place. Okay. 9. Write the number in the standard form. So we have to write A, 7000 plus 60 plus 7. 7. All the first digits. 7. There is no hundreds place value. So you put 0, 6, 7. And B, 5000 plus 6. 5. There is no hundreds place value 0. There is no tens place value 0. And 6. 5006. And C, 2000 plus 800 plus 9. So 2000, there is, yes, 8. And there is no tens place value, put 0, 9. And D, 3000 plus 500 plus 10 plus. So 3, 5, 1, 4. And 10. Answer the following questions using the digits 6, 0, 2 and 9. A, form the smallest and greatest 4-digit even number using the given digits. So they are asking us to find the smallest 4-digit even number. So first, how to write the smallest 4-digit number? 2, 0, 6, 9. This is the smallest 4-digit number. But we have to write the smallest 4-digit even number. So we have to interchange these two digits. So we get 2096. Okay. So this is the smallest 4-digit even number. And greatest 4-digit number is 962. So 0 is the even number. So this is the 4-digit even number also. Okay. And next where they are asking us to find out the smallest 4-digit odd number. And this is the smallest 4-digit number. And this is the odd number. So smallest 4-digit odd number is 2069. Smallest 4-digit odd number. And greatest 4-digit odd number. And this is the greatest 4-digit number, but here it is a even number. So to find the odd number, and here 9 is the only odd number, so it should be in ones place. So 6209. Okay, you put this 9 in ones place. 6209 is the greatest 4-digit odd number. So smallest 4-digit even number equal to 2096. Greatest 4-digit even number equal to 9620. Smallest 4-digit number equal to 2069. And greatest 4-digit odd number equal to 6209. And 11, write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers. A, 8765. So predecessor is 8764. The successor is 8766. B 6711. Predecessor is 6710. Successor is 6712. C 9082. Predecessor 9081. Successor 9083. And D 5367. Predecessor 5366. Successor 5368. And 12th, round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. A 42. 42 lies between 40 and 50 and 2 is less than 5. So it is rounded off to 40. And B 89. 89 lies between 80 and 90 and 9 is greater than 5. So it is rounded off to 90. C 103. And 3 lies between 0 and 10. 3 is less than 5. So 103 is rounded off to 100. And D 586, and 86 lies between 80 and 90 and 6 is greater than 5. So 586 is rounded off to 590. E 431, and 31 lies between 30 and 40 and 1 is less than 5. So 431 is rounded off to 430. F 258, and 58 lies between 50 and 60, but 8 is greater than 5. So 258 is rounded off to 260. So my dear students, today we have solved the revision exercise from Numbers chapter. You practice these problems very well. If you like this video, please share, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.